交给你了。影片
什么？影片怎样？
交给你了。
哦。
好，谢谢。
或者一会儿等回来人少的时候来拍。
没事。
Welcome to Busselton Jetty. We are sure you'll enjoy your train trip over the waters of Geograph Spain. Where else in the world can you have this experience?
Bye.
A couple of things to keep you and your fellow travellers safe. This is a jetty that the train shares with other people undertaking many other activities. Please stay seated throughout the journey, including children. Other vehicles use the jetties to keep arms and items inside the carriages at all times. Do not open the doors or play with the door latches while we are on the train journey. We will open the doors for you at the platforms. You can pull down the blinds or light them up, but please don't let them be played with. We would like you to keep your feet on the floor and not on the seats opposite. And lastly, you can wave to all those unfortunate people who are walking and did not catch the train.
The traditional owners of this land are the Noongar people. The Noongar nation stretches from Geraldton in the north to Esperance in the south. The local language group from this area is known as the Wardandi. The name of the waters we are travelling over was known by the Wardandi people as Banja. Geograph Bay was named in May 1801 by French explorer Nicolas Baudin. Baudin named the bay after his ship, the Geograph. One of the other ships with him was called the Naturalist. Geograph Bay is a wide curve of coastline extending from Cape Naturalist past the towns of Dunsborough and Busselton, ending near the city of Banbury. The bay is protected from the rough seas of the Indian Ocean by Cape Naturalist, which makes it a popular destination for recreational boating. The bay is extremely shallow, limiting the entrance of large ships. To alleviate this problem, the 1,841 metre long Busselton Jetty was built, the longest timber-pile jetty in the southern hemisphere. It is still only 9 metres deep at the end of the jetty. Cape Naturalist is to your left, which is the west, and at night you will see the lights of the Cape Naturalist lighthouse flashing, as well as some glorious sunsets. In the distance, to your right, the east is Wanneroo and Forest Beach. If you continued 50 kilometres from here, you would reach the town of Bunbury. Wanneroo is the location where a French sailor from Baudin's crew was washed off a longboat during a storm. He was left presumed drowned, but many stories abound about a white man wandering with the Wardandi. If we were able to continue straight ahead, many people think we would eventually land on the coast of Africa, but in actual fact, the jetty is pointing north, and we would end up close to Rottnest Island, just off the coast of Perth.
If you look out on the train driver's left-hand side, you will see many memorial marks. They're being placed by families whose relatives have passed away. These relatives have a long or significant history with the jetty. Many had their ashes thrown into the bay from here. Today, the City of Busselton requires an application for a plaque to be placed on the jetty. Many people ask why the Busselton Jetty is so long. The jetty was built in 1865 to cater for cargo vessels importing and exporting timber to the area. It started as only 176 metres long. The jetty reached its current length in 1960. It was extended many times as the cargo vessels got bigger. After more than a century of use, servicing over 5,000 vessels, the jetty ceased commercial operations at the port in 1972 when government maintenance stopped. The jetty quickly deteriorated in condition. Then in 1978, Cyclone Kelvin blew down from the north and struck Busselton with 180 km/h winds, damaging part of the jetty. Close to 3,000 people came down to see the original Holmes Park damaged beyond repair. Many were in tears. Charles the key to saving the jetty from an impending demolition as the government of the day wanted to completely demolish it. A group of locals disagreed with this plan as they knew the jetty was an important part of the town, so they rallied together to fundraise to rebuild the damaged sections. In 1979, a local school teacher and descendant of the town's pioneers, John Bussell, walked the length of the jetty and back 100 times, covering a distance of 580 kilometres over 4 days. His marathon raised $5,500. Jetty meter maids also went on streets and continued selling bonds to raise funds. If it wasn't for all these dedicated people, the jetty would be long gone. Today, the business operations at the Busselton Jetty are run by a not-for-profit organisation with the volunteer board of management, Busselton Jetty Incorporated, providing 25% of its revenue to ongoing jetty maintenance.
series of numbers is engraved into the balustrade on the jetty. These numbers relate to the number of the pilot is employed. Requirement for maintenance identified on site items numbered. Some parts of pilots are embedded in the ocean floor about 5 metres below the surface. These are A and grey numbers. There have been 2 other passenger trains operated on the jetty before this solar train. The first train was a modified mini-motor vehicle towing one carriage and it was operated by the local maintenance company. popular demand, another 2 carriages were built. Anyway, the train operated from 1977 to April 1978, cycling everything, and was then gifted to the Apex Club. In 1990, the Busselton Jetty Environment Conservation Association purchased a train with dull clean green converter. It was 4-cylinder petrol-powered loco towing 3 carriages. This train was put into service in April 1995 and proved to be a great tourist attraction. In 2005, the train had to cease operation as the jetty was no longer safe for the train. After major restoration in 2011, the same train began running again with an extra 2 carriages. It finished operation in 2017 when our new solar electric train commenced. After taking 6 years to design, it was built from the ground up in Busselton by local businesses. The train has an electric motor that is powered by 15 lithium rechargeable batteries charged by solar panels mounted on top of the train carriages. Did you notice the blue and black seats at the interpretive centre? You'll see some out here at the Underwood Observatory too. Busselton Jetty Incorporated cares about the environment, and we don't just have a solar powered train, we buy environmentally friendly seats, each made from 20,000 recycled plastic bags that are therefore not gone into landfill.
When we come to a complete stop at the Bowville platform, if If you're doing the return train ride today, you'll be exiting through the gate at the rear of the train, and you'll need to be back on board by 12:30, as the train will leave the platform at 12:30, and your tickets are only valid for that train. If you're here for the Underwood Observatory tour today, you'll be exiting through the gate at the front of the train to then proceed into the blue building that'll be located in front of us, as this is where your tour will start. A driver will come back and pick you up after your tour, so you have ample time to enjoy it. And can everyone please remember to lower your heads when you do get to exit. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
We are just about to arrive at the Bow Road train platform. Please note that the train will be leaving this platform in 8 minutes' time. The train will be leaving this platform in 8 minutes' time. Please remain in your seats and we will open the doors for you. Do not forget to lower your head when you exit the train.
肯定放下来，然后再开，大概停留个10分钟左右。
刚才12点开过来的，现在是
差不多就是3刻到45分到那个钟，还是7点来钟，会响。
到了。
不知道呀，没人讲。
12点半。
12点半上来。
No kids to play with that, please. Leave them
谢
alone.
谢。你把票装包里吧。